Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to increase font size on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then all app name size, then text is short. Okay, then click on settings, tap on search bar, then search or text size, then text size is volume, then down, then swipe right, then volume is up, then text size long, then text size is long, then all app name and all app, then text size is long. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.